Oh my god, this whole look, mind-blowing. I really love this brand. Hello everyone, as you may know, I'm always on the hunt for new men's clothing brands to review here on my channel. And so in today's video, I have a really cool premium clothing brand for men's that I would like to introduce to you guys. Before we jump into today's clothing haul, I would like to let you know that the brand sent me 3 items to review and I personally placed an order with my money for 2 pieces to experience as a customer. That way I can provide you guys with my full and genuine feedback regarding Phix Clothing. Yes, that is the name of the brand. So before we start the video, please click the subscribe button below. Follow me on Instagram at very.snatch. I will definitely follow you back, and I will also post new photos of me wearing these items that I'll be showing you guys in this video. So let's go. Okay, so I was introduced to this premium clothing brand recently and I was really interested in trying some of their pieces, and I was super lucky because the brand actually reached out to me and sent me a few pieces of clothing items to review in this video. However, as mentioned earlier, I bought 2 items from the site myself as well to really understand the whole shopping experience on the site, and I will show you guys these items first. So I was browsing on the site and I found a really chic item, and let me tell you something, this particular item went straight into my shopping cart, and it is this blue denim gold button shirt. I bought this item in a small instead of an extra small because I want my clothes to be relaxed on me, and I might sound like a broken record at this point because I keep on saying that in every single video, but it's true. I don't want my clothes to be too tight on me because it's just restricting me from moving around. I have decided to get this shirt because look at it. It looks I can't do that in this video. It looks amazing, okay? So the fabric feels very premium denim with the contrast stitching all over the shirt, as you can see, and it goes with the gold military buttons on the shirt, as you can see. This item is literally perfect, amazing, incredible, you name it. I love this shirt because it's giving modern and vintage chic at the same time. It went straight into my cart and all the way to the checkout line. The original price is $175 and I got this shirt on sale for $105. But it feels very premium for this clothing brand. For the price, I think this is amazing. I'm gonna use the word amazing a lot throughout this video, so take a shot every time I say that word. Okay, so this is what the shirt looks like. I don't know. There are no words to describe how good this looks on me. I'm just like so excited. Like literally when I received the package, I opened it, I tried it on right away, and when I saw myself in the mirror, I literally gasped. And do you see the fabric? It's like, it has this really nice shade of blue and it reflects back to the light, and it's really nice. It gives that 3D look, so even when I'm standing here, you can see that it gives me a little structure right there by the way. So the next and also the last item that I bought myself also went straight into my cart and into the checkout line is this pair of blue front pocket denim right here. Look at the pockets. They are so cute. And this is the back. I have been looking for these for a very long time. So this pair of denim trousers has a bootcut silhouette and comes with 2 front pockets as I show you just now and 2 back pockets right here. It is very hard for me to find a pair of bootcut denim pants that look good on me, and I finally found what I have been looking for. It feels very high quality and crisp. I don't know if that makes sense. I personally love true denim fabric. I don't like denim fabrics that are super soft and thin. I know that it's supposed to be more comfortable and more, easy to wear, etc. But I feel like I prefer the more premium light, a little thick, very crisp denim fabric. I prefer that type of fabric over the comfortable, soft, easy to wear type of fabric because it just defeats the purpose of denim. That is just my personal opinion. It has nothing to do with, it's not in the book or anything like that, but this fabric feels amazing in my opinion, and it's just very high quality and worth every single penny I spent on these. I bought these for $180. A little on the high side, but if you look at the quality, if you look at the silhouette, if you look at the whole thing, it's definitely worth it. And I'll put these on so you can absolutely see what they look on me. Do you see that? This is size 28 and it fits me just right. And I think I would need a belt to secure the pants at this position so that I don't have to pull my pants up every 5 minutes. But other than that, I think this fits really, really well. I will post some photos on Instagram too so you can see the whole look. But oh my god, this whole look, mind-blowing. I really love this brand. So I'm gonna save this outfit for a special occasion. So just a quick recap with my online shopping experience with Phix Clothing. Overall, my shopping experience on the site was awesome. I believe the brand is based in the UK, but I received my package within the same week I placed my order. Since the total of my order, of course, was about $250, I also received free shipping for the order as a whole, so I didn't have to pay for shipping and it arrived within 3 days. With that said, let the haul continues. We're gonna jump into another exciting part of the video. I will be showing you guys the 3 items that the brand sent me. So these 3 items are from their new collection and are available to purchase on the site as of right now. So the link to the site will be in the description box as well as right here in the video. And I also personally pick out these 3 items, so let's jump into the first item that I received from them. The first item that I received from the brand is this green and orange polka dot shirt. What is special about this shirt is its 70s inspired color. I know you can't see on the hanger, but once I put it on, you will see the whole vibe of the shirt. It's really, really cute. And even though the shirt is slim fit, but then again, I requested to get the item in size medium, so 2 sizes bigger than my actual size. I personally love wearing button-up shirts a size or 2 sizes bigger than my actual size because I don't want the shirt to look super fitted on me, and sometimes I love layering my clothes by wearing a turtleneck underneath and wear the shirt on the outside, so this size will give me more ways to style the shirt. The fabric of the shirt is very soft, and then you can tell that they really pay attention to the detail because the buttons are also in the same tone of green to match with the shirt. So this is the orange and green polka dot shirt. I freaking love the color right here. The neckline, the color, amazing. Let me tuck the shirt in. This looks so good. The next item that I received from the brand is this lace ruffle shirt in white. The woven lace material is super soft and extremely easy and comfortable to wear. I absolutely love the ruffle on the sleeves right here and right here in the middle of the shirt. And if you take a closer look at the fabric here, you can see that the pattern is very, very well crafted to create a unique lace looking material. So you can wear this item as is, or you can layer this item up with like a thin white long sleeve underneath. But for me, and for this particular item, I got it in the small because I figured that I won't be layering anything underneath. The shirt, I would just wear it as is and just really bring out that see-through lace details that it's giving. I also want the item to look fitted on my body as well. I kind of wish that I got this in an extra small instead because I would like to be a little bit more tight, but that's absolutely okay. It's not a big problem because most likely I wouldn't wear the shirt hanging out anyways. I would tuck the shirt in like this. Oh my god, now I feel like I need to look at the website again and possibly do another round of shopping because it's kind of dangerous. I'm speechless. Like, these items look so good. The last item that I received from them is this pair of green corduroy flare trousers. Look at the flare right here. This is another 70s inspired item. Personally, I am obsessed with the color of these pants. I know the color might look like it's hard to style, but I can promise you that it's really not. The green is actually kind of muted in person and very vintage looking, so you can basically pair this up with any button-ups or any tops that you have. And for this holiday season, I'm going to rock these with my red turtleneck and I will look super festive for the season. So these are the back pockets and this is the front. Love the flare, and the corduroy fabric is to die for. Oh my god. I put these pants on and I remember that I thrifted this tie a while back and it is in the same tone of green, and I put on the shirt again because it's also green and orange, and look at this. This outfit. I'm so excited to wear these items, you guys. I'm not even kidding. I love this so much. Now that we have seen some of their items from the new collections and I got to try them on and wear them around for a bit, here are my final thoughts of the brand and the website itself. When it comes to Phix Clothing, the price point is not that cheap, let's be honest, but also not too expensive. I think for the price it's totally fair and it's totally worth it. The quality is amazing, the craftsmanship is amazing, and the fit is amazing as well. Every single piece of item I have here looks incredible on me no matter what size I got. And so those are the three main points that I try to look for in a brand when I shop: quality, the craftsmanship, and the fit. As for my experience as a customer on the site, I have no complaints so far. Even though the brand is located in the UK and I placed an order and received my package within 3 days, that is absolutely insane. A lot of other brands can't relate, and let me just say that. All in all, I suggest you guys to look at their website at phixclothing.com and let me know in the comment section below or even in my DM if you have any questions. I will link every single clothing item that I mentioned in this video in the description box below. And no, the links won't be affiliated. So I just wanted to make it easier for you guys to see all of these items that I mentioned in my video. And with that said, thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like. You know, as per usual, please follow me on my Instagram account at very.snatch. I will definitely follow you back. I will also post photos of myself wearing these items so you can see them in action. You can see lifestyle photos of these products. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!